Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make Caesar salad at home. So without wasting time, let's start. So here I have romaine, you can use mixed green. And then I have some mayonnaise, some garlic paste. Here we have lemon and garlic bread. Then I have some parmesan cheese and some sago cheese. So I will make croutons from garlic bread. If you don't have, then use the regular bread. So let's start. So here I'm gonna cut this into pieces. Then we're gonna cook it for few seconds. When we made croutons for Caesar salad, it gives very nice taste. So carefully cut the bread into small pieces. So Caesar salad is a very basic recipe. We can make it with few ingredients and it takes only I think 10 to 15 minutes. So here we go. We are ready to cook them. So firstly heat 1 teaspoon of butter in a pan and then put some garlic paste in it. Saute well. Cook until it's fragrant. Then add your bread pieces into it. Then give it a nice mix. So we're gonna cook it until crispy. Now I'm gonna add some black pepper into it. And then we add some salt. You can add salt and pepper as your taste. Then add some Italian seasoning if you have. Then give it a nice mix. So cook these croutons on the medium flame. You're gonna see that it will turn into the golden brown color. So now we're gonna cut lettuce into small pieces. So make a cut in the center. Here we go. And then in pieces. Don't cut lettuce in very small pieces, otherwise it will not look nice. So our lettuce is ready. Then we put into a bowl. This is one of my favorite salad. So now we're gonna make some zest from the lemon like this. It will give very nice taste to your salad. You can skip this step if you don't want to do. So our lemon zest is ready. So now add lemon zest to your croutons and mix it well. Now we're gonna make the dressing. Put some of the lemon zest into the mayonnaise. Then add some lemon juice to it. And then mix it nicely. Now we're gonna add this dressing to our lettuce. So here again we're gonna add some salt to it. Then add some black pepper. And then add a sago cheese to it. After adding these three things, we're gonna add mayonnaise to it. You can either use Italian seasoning, whatever you have. Then mix it gently. So our lettuce is ready. Now add croutons to it. Then again give it a nice mix. So this is a very light and healthy recipe. You should try at home. So you can either consume it as it is or you can take it with chicken Now sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on the top. This is our final step. Parmesan cheese is very healthy and rich in calcium. Now mix it gently. So here we go, we are ready to serve. So if you like my video, please like it and subscribe my channel for the latest updates. If you have any question, then you can put in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video.